Hi guys, I'm literally at the charging station, at the charging point, at Texaco in the UK, and I've solved a problem. Like I said in the video, just watch it and I know you see what I mean. But I just wanted to do an update, and that's recorded after the first recording, which in that case is gonna be the second recording because I'm gonna be editing the videos. But I just wanted to add because I've just checked at their link. Both of us are gonna get £5 if you sign up for the app using my link. So enjoy, guys. Hi guys. So if you're in the UK and you have an electric vehicle, I just want to give you an update on, if you've never tried one, on them Instavolt charging stations, charging points. That's the app. What I've done is I went to the charging station, and when I arrived, I've tried to plug the car, but just on the one station it said there is no point available, and there was obviously, because I was the only car stopped by it. On the other one it said card declined. I phoned the number to the support team, and they said just try with the app. If not, we'll reboot the station and you can try again. But I've downloaded the app. What you do is basically you put your contact details, address, a billing address, your card number, the security number on the back, and when you connect your card to the app, then you can find the station. It shows you on the map. You choose. You can easily see, the mark on the map that you are at the correct station. You choose the station. You choose the point, left to right. It's 1, 2, 3, depending on how many are there. Usually there are just 2, I think. So it's left to right. It's 1 and 2. You choose the one which you're going to use. You click. You swipe left to start the charging, and then on the charging unit, it says plug your car. You plug your car. Then it says you need to press the start button, and that's it. And then you can see on the app, as you see, how much energy have you consumed, how much energy you have consumed, and you can see the cost so far for it, and you can stop the charge. And it says when you update your car in the app, it says estimated miles added, based on the model and the make of the car, the make and the model of the car. So that's all it is I've got today for you. And basically you can recommend the app as well, and you're going to be able to add yourself a little bit of extra income. I'm not sure how it works. I'll share my link for you guys down in the YouTube description, but obviously you don't need to use my link. But if you do, just I'm letting you know I'm gonna get some small commission. That's no extra charge for you. That's how usually recommendations work. Just because I've brought a customer to the network, I'm gonna be rewarded. And obviously I didn't know about them charging stations. I was just in a garage to repair my car because I got my window smashed, so I needed to replace the window. And I was worried if I need to go back to the highway, I might not reach the next charging station, and so on and so forth. But literally like 3-4 minutes away there was a charging station, and I would never find out because I never knew about that brand. So that's how it works, guys. I help you, you help me, we help the company helps us. Like I said, you obviously don't need to use my link, but if you decide to, you can. And see you in the next one, guys. See ya. Bye.